Okay students, so here is the next video for exercise 5C starting from question number 5. So question number 5 here is 7 upon 12 minus in bracket 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 18. So there are two methods to solve this question. Either you solve the bracket first or simply open the bracket first. So firstly we are going to use the solve the bracket first method. The first method, how we are going to use this method. So look here, using the BODMAS rule that solve the bracket first. So here you can see we will take the denominators, LCM of the denominator. 6 comma 18 will give 18 our denominator. When we will multiply 6 by 3, it will become 18. Similarly 3 will be multiplied in the numerator. 18 में 18 ये ऑलरेडी है, इसमें हम 1 मल्टीप्लाई करें या ना करें, इट इज़ आवर चॉइस, क्योंकि फाइनली हमारा आंसर जो है वो वही आएगा. So it has been converted. Now add the numerator part 3 plus 5 upon 18. And when we will open the bracket plus minus 8 upon 18 will come out. Now what are the fractions here? 7 upon 12 minus 8 upon 18. So when there is 8 upon 18 and 7 upon 12, there are two fractions, both are unlike fractions. Take the LCM of the denominators again, and 12 and 18 will give LCM 36. How we will convert 12 into 36? By multiplying it by 3. 18 को 36 में कैसे convert करेंगे? By multiplying it by 2. So when we will multiply these numbers, 17 multiplied by 3 will become 51 upon 36. 8 multiplied by 2 will become 16 upon 36. Subtract the numerator part and write the common denominator. It will become 35 upon 36. So 35 upon 36 is an proper fraction and as also in simplest form. So we do not need to convert it in any of the fractions. Second method is open bracket. So before solving the bracket, what we will do here is we will open the brackets. And what is the sign before the bracket? Minus. So minus sign will change the sign of the fractions inside the bracket. जो आपका माइनस का साइन है वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर के फ्रैक्शंस का साइन चेंज करेगा. सो प्लस 1 upon 6 will become minus 1 upon 6 and this minus will change this plus into negative. आपके फ्रैक्शंस के साइन चेंज हो गए. नाउ टेक एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर्स. 6, 12 and 18 will give again 36 as your denominator. Now convert 12 into 36. So multiply 12 by 3, it will become 36. 73 will become 51. Multiply 6 by 6, it will become 36 and 1 6 are 6. Multiply 8 by 2, it will become 36 and 5 2s are 10. So you can see here all your fractions are converted and all have same denominators. They all have same denominator. That means your unlike fractions are converted into like fractions. Now write the fractions at their places. 17 upon 12 उसका चेंज पार्ट पहले, फिर 1 upon 6 का चेंज, फिर 5 upon 18 का चेंज. So here we have noted down the changed fraction. Now write the common denominator and solve the numerator part. 51 minus 6 will give 45. 45 minus 10 will give 35 upon 6. Both the answer by both the methods are same. So you can use either any of the method to solve this question. Next question is question number 6. Simplify. Here you can see again the three fractions are mixed fractions. So convert them into improper fraction. So when you will convert them into improper fractions, 7 whole 2 upon 3 will change into 23 upon 3. 1 whole 5 upon 9 will change into 14 upon 9 and 4 whole 7 upon 12 will change into 55 upon 12. So here you can see if you are, as you all know, 12 3s are 36, so 3 12s are 36. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 12, we have converted 23 upon 3 into 276 upon 36. 14 upon 9, 9 4s are 36, so 14 4s are 56. 12 3s are 36, 55 3s are 165. Writing the numbers at their places and adding the numerator, we get 497 upon 36. It is an improper fraction, so it has been converted into mixed fraction. जैसा कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था, अगर आपका आंसर इम्प्रॉपर आ रहा है तो आप उसे मिक्स्ड में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Next question. These are the story problems. So, of 5 whole 2 upon 3 and 3 whole 3 upon 4, which is greater and by how much? So, to solve this question, what you need to do, first of all, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and उसके बाद अगर आपके unlike हैं तो आप like में change करेंगे, and after that it is easy for you to compare. So look here, the change fraction is 17 upon 3 and 15 upon 4. Both the denominators are different. LCM will be 12. 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 68, 4 3s are 12, 15 3s are 45. So look here, on comparing the numerator, 68 is greater than 45. So the fraction which has 68 is greater than the next fraction. 68 upon 12 is greater than 45 upon 12. And what we need to compare? We need to compare the question. अब जो जिसका चेंज पार्ट है हम उसमें लिखेंगे. 68 upon 12 आपको मिला था 17 upon 13 से, और 17 upon 13 मिला था आपको 5 whole 2 upon 3 से. So 5 whole 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 whole 3 upon 4. Now the question says by how much. So whenever the question says by how much, that means we need to find the difference. Now subtract these two numbers. It will give 23 upon 12. It is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed. But it is greater by 1 whole 1 upon 12. 5 whole 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 whole 3 upon 4 by 1 whole 11 upon 12 times. Question number 8. What should be added to 8 whole 3 upon 7 to get 11 whole 11 upon 14? So class, if I say what you will add to 2, so that your answer will become 11. So what we will do? We will find 11 minus 2 and it will give 9. That means 9 is our answer. Similarly, इस क्वेश्चन में भी हम इसी तरीके से करेंगे. जब हमें दो नंबर फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करना है और उनका आंसर दिया हुआ है, तो हम उसमें से एक को माइनस कर लेंगे आंसर में से. सो ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 8 whole 3 upon 7 from 11 whole 11 upon 14. So both the fractions are mixed fraction. So convert the mixed fraction into improper, and 11 whole 11 upon 14 will give 165 upon 14, and 8 whole 3 upon 7 will give 59 upon 7. So LCM of 14 and 7 is 14. Here the fraction is already 14. Change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Change 7 into 14. So multiply it by 2. Multiply the denominator by 2 and numerator by 2. So 59 upon 7 will convert into 118 upon 14. Now we have got both the fractions as unlike fractions. Now subtract the numerator. It will give 47 upon 14. It is an improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. Next question, number 9. What should be subtracted from 5 whole 1 upon 6 to get 2 whole 11 upon 18? So if I say what should be subtracted from 100 so that my answer will become, okay, I say 9. Okay, I take a very simple number, 90. What should be subtracted from 100 so that my answer become 9? So what I will do? I will do 100 minus 90. I will take the difference of the bigger number and answer. It will give me 10. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी हमने इसी तरीके से किया है. We had taken the answer, subtracted a from that and noted down the answer. here this part has been noted down by mistake. It was 6 plus 4, 10. 5 whole 1 upon 6 minus 2 whole 11 upon 18. Change it into mixed fraction. Then take the LCM of the denominator. It is 18. 6 multiplied by 3 will give 18 and 18 ones are 80. 31 multiplied by 3 will give 93 and 47 multiplied by 1 will give 47. Now what we will do? Subtract the numerator part, and on subtracting the numerator part our answer is 46 upon 48. Now look here, 46 upon 18 sorry, both are even number. That means अगर आप इसे यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं it will change into simplest form, या मिक्स्ड में कन्वर्ट करके फिर आपके मिक्स्ड में 2 पार्ट होते हैं, नेचुरल एंड प्रॉपर, तो आप प्रॉपर को डिवाइड करिए. So what this is first method where I had converted into mixed. It will give 2 whole 10 upon 18. अब 10 upon 18 जो फ्रैक्शन है हमारा, हम उसे चेंज कर देंगे. So we will get 5 upon 9. So answer is 2 whole 5 upon 9. And if I divide 46 upon 18 is to written in simplest form. So divided by 2 we will get 23 upon 9. And on dividing 23 by 9 we will get 2 whole again 5 upon 9. So these are the question for exercise 5C. I hope you all will be able to understand these questions with the help of this video also. Thank you students.